Welcome to Moyo. This is about time and work. In this course, basic to advanced, we are going to train ourselves from noob level to pro level. Here we are going to solve sums in three types. In the first type, we are solving it in basic traditional method to strengthen our basics. In the second method, we are solving it in a trick method. This is the method used by aspirants to clear the exam. In the third method, we are going to solve it through a pro method. This is the method used by the toppers. And the questions we are solving here are previous year questions. And in this lesson 2, we are going to solve three models of sums in time and work. In the first model, workers join. In the second model, workers leave. In the third model, workers work in alternative days. Now let's see the first model. First model, 20 men can do a piece of work in 18 days. They work together for 3 days. Then 5 men join them. In how many more days is the work completed? A 15, B 12, C 14, D 13. Now let's understand the question. Here in the case 1, 20 men are working and completing the work in 18 days. In the second case, 20 men are working for first 3 days, then 5 men are joining. That is 25 men are working for the remaining days to complete it. And we have to find the number of days worked by these 25 men. As it is asked as how many more days is the work completed. Now let's solve it through a traditional method. Traditional method, as we have to find the number of days taken by 25 men to complete the work, first we have to find the work done by 25 men. To find that, we have to subtract the work done by the 20 men in first 3 days. So we are calculating the work done by 20 men in first 3 days. Here 3 by 18, because the work done by 20 men in 18 days is a whole work. So the work done by 20 men in 3 days would be 3 by 18. That is 1 by 6 part of the work. To find the remaining, 1 minus 1 by 6 equals to 5 by 6. This is the work done by 25 men and we have to find the number of days taken to finish this work. So writing down the basic formula, M1T1 by W1 equal to M2T2 by W2 and substituting the values. In the first case, 20 men, time taken 18 days and the number of work, a whole work, equals to second case 25 men, time taken unknown and the number of work 5 by 6. Now just solving this, we get 5 into 20 into 18 equal to 6 into 25 into T2. Then T2 would be cancelling out the values 12 days. Now let's see the trick method. Now the trick method. In the case 1 and case 2, the work done in first 3 days are equal. So we are neglecting it. So the 18 days, that is amount taken by 20 men to complete the whole work, is subtracted by 3 to get the remaining days, that is 15. So 20 men working for 15 days equals to 25 men into unknown number of days. So just equating it, we get 12 days. This is the trick method. Now let's see the pro method. Now the pro method. Here in case 1 and case 2, neglecting the first 3 days as it is not required, we can find that 20 men working for 15 days equals to 25 men working for unknown number of days. Here the men in the first case and the men in the second case are in the ratio 20:25, that is 4:5. This ratio of 4:5 will be inversely proportional to the number of days. As number of workmen increase, the number of days will reduce. So it is inversely proportional. So the days ratio will be 5:4. Here in the second case, the ratio is 4 and the answer would be a multiple of 4. So in the option, the only option that is multiple of 4 is 12. 15, 14 and 13 are rejected. So 12 is the answer. Now let's see the second model of sum. Model 2. A project requires 12 women to complete it in 16 days. 12 women started working and after a few days from the start of the project, 4 women left. If the remaining project was completed in 18 days, in how many days the whole project was completed? Option A 24 1 by 2, B 26, C 22, D 21 1 by 2, E 20. Let's understand the question. Here in the first case, 12 women are working for 16 days. In the second case, 12 women are working in the beginning and after that 4 women left. that is the remaining 8 months are working for the last 18 days, and we have to find the total number of days taken to complete the project in the second case. Now let's see the traditional method. Traditional method. Now we have to find the number of days taken by 12 women to finish the work in the beginning in the second case. To find that, we have to find the amount of work done by them. To find the amount of work, we have to find the amount of work done by the 8 months at the end, that is 18 days taken by them. So we are calculating it. Basic formula M1 D1 by W1 equal to M2 D2 by W2. We are just substituting the values. The first case 12 women 16 days by the amount of work 1 equal to second case 8 women 18 days and the amount of work done by them. Now just equating it by cross multiplication equals to 3 by 4th of a work. Now we have to find the remaining work, that is the work done by 12 women at the beginning in the second case. 1 minus 3 by 4, 1 by 4th of a work. Now the 12 women are done 1 by 4th of a work in the beginning. So the total number of days, that is 16 by 4. It gives out 4 days. That is, when 12 women can complete a whole work in 16 days, then will complete 1 by 4th of a work in 16 into 1 by 4, that is 4 days. Now the total days 18 plus 4, 22 days. This is the final answer. Now let's see the trick method. Trick method. Now framing the whole scenario into an equation. In the first case 12 women into 16 days. In the second case 12 women for unknown days plus 8 women for 18 days. Now cancelling out 12 on both sides. 12, 12, 2 and 6. So 16 equals to unknown number of days plus 12, and 12 on the left side will be 4. So the days taken by 12 women is 4 days and the total days would be 18 plus 4, 22. Now let's see the pro method. Now the pro method. Pro method is not applicable to this sum because pro method is totally dependent upon the options. In some case we can't apply the pro method. Let's see why we can't apply the pro method in this case. In the first case 12 women are working for 16 days. In the second case, after the 4 women left, 8 women are working for 18 days. So 8 is 2 by 3 of 12. So when they are working 16 plus 2 days, so slightly higher than the 16 days taken by 12 women. So 8 women should have completed slightly more than 2/3 work. So the amount of work completed by the 12 women in the beginning would be slightly lesser than 1/3 of the work, that is remaining work. So calculating it, when the 12 women are taking 16 days to complete the whole work, then it would take 5.33 days to complete 1 by 3 of the work. So the initial woman would have taken a days lesser than, that is slightly lesser than 5.33 days, which would equal to 18 plus 5.33 gives out 23.33. In the option, the value is slightly lesser than 23.33 is 22 and 21, and there is a difference of only half days. So the options are so close that we can't find the exact answer here. Now let's see the model 3. Model 3, A and B working. Model 3, A and B working separately can do a piece of work in 9 and 12 days respectively. If they work for a day alternatively, with A beginning, the work would be completed in option A 10 2 by 3 days, B 10 1 by 3 days, C 10 1 by 4 days, D 10 1 by 5 days. Now let's understand the question. A and B working separately can do a work in 9 and 12 days. Now A and B working in alternate days, that's alternatively. That is, A works for one day, then B, then again A would come to work, then again B would do the work, and so on. Here the A is beginning the work, that is first day would be started by A. And observing the options, we see that all the options are given in 10. So the work is completed on the 11th day. Now let's solve it through a traditional method. Traditional method. Now let's calculate the amount of work done by A and B in first 2 days. In the first day, A would have completed 1/9 of a work. In the second day, B would have completed 1 by 12th of a work, equals to, taking LCM 36, 4 plus 3, 7 by 36 of a work. As we have to calculate the values for first 10 days, as the options are given in 10, we have to calculate 5 pairs. We know the value of first pair. So into 5 gives 10 days. That is 35 by 36 of the work has been done. So the remaining work is 1 minus 35 by 36 equal to 1 by 36. Now A turn, 11th day. As the remaining work is 1 by 36 and A can do a whole work in 9 days. So 9 into 1 by 36, A will complete the work in 1 by 4th of a day. That is on the 11th day A would do the work in 1 by 4 of a day. Then the total value would be resulting in 10 plus 1 by 4, that is 10 1 by 4 days. This is the final answer. Now let's see the trick method. Trick method. A would complete the work in 9 days, B in 12 days, taking the LCM and fixing the days as 36 and taking the efficiency now. 36 by 9 gives out 4, 36 by 12 3. Then total efficiency is 7 as 4 plus 3 is 7. Now 7 is the efficiency of A and B, that is of first 2 days. So the total work 36 by 7 would result in 5 pair of days and a remainder 1. So 5 pair of days, that is first 2 days, 3rd and 4th day, 5th and 6th day and so on, will result in 10 days and the remainder 1. Here the remainder 1 is divided by 4 because A is in charge of the 11th day, as the work completed by A and B together as a pair is 10 days. A, B in work on 11th day. So 1 by 4 which gives out 10 plus 1 by 4, that is 10 1 by 4. Now let's see the pro method. Pro method. Here seeing the option we can find that the work has been completed at the 11th day. So we know that A is in charge of the 11th day as it is the one which begin the work. And taking the LCM as 36, we know the efficiency of A is 4. So any remaining number of work for the 11th day would be divided by the efficiency of A, that is 4. So the denominator would contain A factors, that is 4 or 2. In option A, the denominator has 3, so it is rejected. Option B also 3, so rejected. Option C has the denominator 4. So this might be the answer. Option D has 5, so it is also rejected. So C is the only one left out, so C is the answer. Now you have seen 3 models for this lesson. We are coming to the end of this lesson. If this lesson was useful, you can share it with your friends and you can join our study community through the link in the description. Thank you.